Alright guys, so we're working on this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan, and we're going to be replacing today the low beams and the high beams, okay? So they're pretty easy to get to. You got to remove your cap from over here, which is going to be this one, okay? This is your low beam cap, and this is your high beam, okay? The rubber one is going to be your high beam dust cover, so like that you know which is which. And we're going to start the one closest to the fender. That's your low beam. So we'll start in there. Find the fin for your bulb and counterclockwise to remove. Okay, it'll give you that. Make sure you don't throw these away. Keep this, you might need it later. And we're gonna get the new bulb. Okay, these are the LAG2s. And the way you want to install this, because the pins on all these headlights are always gonna be pointing to if you're looking forward in the vehicle, it will be to the right. Okay, so make sure that when you install this, it goes in this position and then twist to lock in place. So I'll put that in here, and that should be it. It's about a quarter turn, and that's all it takes for it to lock. And you always want to test, because sometimes it might not go all the way in. So if it doesn't light up, don't freak out. Just try to put your hand back in here and try to give another twist until you feel like it doesn't move at all, and then light it up again. Okay, good. Deactivate the low beams. That's the LAG2s, the custom H7 for these vehicles. And then if you can do the high beam real quick, just so you can see the difference. There you go. So the daytime running light will work only when you have it in auto, and when you activate the actual high beam, it'll light it up. Okay. So when the low beams are on, the daytime running light will be on. It'll only come on when you activate the high beam. But if you go back to auto, only the daytime running light will work. Guys, if you have any questions, concerns, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And we'll catch you